guys, remember the last video of us filming a nest? Well, the robins built a new nest.
I think it was like house finches last time, but this time we've seen robins and they're working on this nest up there. We're really excited. We just noticed this mess on the ground under the nest.
And this probably fell and splattered out all of mud.
Yeah, that whole mess wasn't there yesterday. Oh, we have a visitor. Stay very still. Here's Mama Bird. She just started sitting on her nest today. Trying to give her lots of space. Day 5 of nesting. Oh, there she is. Good mama. I'll check later to see if there's another new egg. Give her privacy.
Hi guys, it's day 6 and let's check on the robin.
There she is. She hasn't been leaving, so I don't know if there's more eggs or not, but hopefully there is.
Bye. Hi guys, it's day 14 of nesting and it's snowing. So let's see how Mama put in for babies over
Oh, she's staying warm, all tucked up in there. Good Mama Bird. But it is snowing outside. Middle of May, Colorado. Bye, Mama Bird.
Bye.
Here's a little baby crying for his mom. He's hungry.
Hi guys, so it's day
I think it's day 6 after hatching.
6 after hatching. The mama bird abandoned the baby, so we have to keep it. It's freezing, and we have it in my bathroom, but here's the nest.
Yeah. So she had 4 eggs.
One hatched.
We know that one hatched. This appears to be 2 that are left. We did not just take the nest down quickly. religiously. We've
Yes.
watched all last night, and we've watched for several hours today. And we decided the best thing to do was to bring the baby in and keep it warm. In hindsight, I wish we had done it last night because he was alive last night. I'm not positive he's alive anymore, but we'll show you what we've done with him. We brought him in. Here's the little guy. He's alive!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, we thought he was dead. He's alive! Oh my gosh, you guys just saw his first movement. Okay, so we're gonna get you warm, little guy. We're gonna get you warm. Oh my gosh, we have a bird.
And we have a kitchen cat.
So the proper thing to do is to call a wildlife place.
Yes.
However, I called 2 now. Neither are doing intakes. I don't know why. But we're gonna figure something out for this little guy today.
And they eat cat food.
Yeah, so they said to give them like soft cat food,
And
which we have a cat that only eats soft cat food, so we'll see what we can do. I do know that we've made the right choice because he's clearly barely alive. So,
Yes.
all right, we'll keep you updated.
Guys, we're trying to feed it. We have the cat food. But hardly.
He did just open his beak. There he goes. Okay. Maybe he just needs to get warm for a little bit. All right, guys, where are we now, Del?
We're at my school garden and we're getting worms and we're going to mush them up. And
Digging for worms because we had cat food, but
it's fish.
birds don't like cat food. They eat grubs and berries and are used to the mom regurgitating worms right now. So here we are in pajamas digging for worms at our school garden.
And we catch 5.
Yeah, so now we get to mush those up to feed the baby. All right, stay tuned. Here he is, guys, moving all around. Okay, you want to hold this while I give him some worms? Hey, dude. Here's a worm.
We did a hard angle.
Mm-hmm.
But it's
Come back this way. Okay. Oh, I dropped the worm. Okay. Oh boy. It's not cat food this time, it's a worm.
And it says after it's 5 days old, we can eat worms.
Oh
and
buddy,
it's
oh buddy,
6
oh buddy.
days
Come
old.
on, come on. Okay, okay. Okay, all right, all right. Oh buddy, here. Here. Okay. Just want to rest? Push pause, maybe. And saying bye. Look at this guy, he's perked up. Lucky is his name. He and I are headed to an animal sanctuary. It's an hour away. So we'll let you know how it goes. Let's go, little guy. Well, here we go. Me and Lucky. Oh, buddy. There's the flat irons. Pulling in. Alright. Incoming patient. We made it. Let's go in. Alright, an hour drive later. Here we are. Animal intake. All right, guys, I just dropped Lucky off. He is officially being cared for, and we got a cool little sticker. I helped a wild bird. These guys are great, and we have like an intake number that we get to call and check on him and see how he's doing.
Hi guys, so my mom got back and we will update you on Lucky and stuff.
Yeah, they said to wait 24 hours, and then
Yes.
he has an intake number, and we'll update you. Show him what we got. Sticker. Cool. And his intake number.
Bye,
He's in a good
guys.
place. Bye.